It's no secret that men and women face very different biological challenges. But just ask anyone and they'll tell you that getting older shouldn't ever get in the way of an active, winning lifestyle. Introducing Forever Living Products' new Vitalize Vitality Supplements. Natural solution nutritional supplements specifically balanced for the individual needs of men and women. Prostate health, testicular function, urinary tract infections, premenstrual syndrome, menopause, hormone imbalance, free radical damage. All things you shouldn't need to concern yourself with when you're out enjoying your day. Along with a balanced, healthy diet and exercise, Forever Living Products' Vitalize Vitality Supplements are designed to help support and promote the lifestyle that you deserve and expect. Vitalize for Women incorporates traditional herbal botanicals, natural antioxidant-rich fruits, vitamins, and minerals, all specifically designed to support healthy hormone balance and well-being. Vitalize for Women supports both mental and physical energy levels, promotes urinary tract health, supports healthy reproductive organs, adds nutritional support for healthier hormonal and mood balance. Vitalize provides the support your body needs, so you can focus on what's most important, being a better and healthier you. Men, on the other hand, face a different set of health concerns. Combined with a unique antioxidant-rich pomegranate powder, more nutrients, and more powerful botanicals than our previous Pro 6 line, Vitalize for Men offers an even better solution to help promote and support normal urinary flow, healthy testicular function, and optimal prostate health. With Vitalize on your team, you'll have an edge on life, a boost on energy, and peace of mind, so you can concentrate on what matters most, your life, the way it should be. Vitalize Vitality Supplements for men and women. New from Forever Living Products.